Hello engineers, welcome back to Engineering Design Simplified. In this video series, I will be solving tough engineering mechanics problems. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and press that bell button so that you will be notified when I upload a new video. Today's problem is a compound lever shown in figure is required to lift a load of 9 kN with an effort P. Find P. So here we have a hinge and here another support we have. So when a force P is applied here, this will move downwards. That means this will be lifted up so that the weight of 9 kN will be lifted. So in the coming slides, let us see how to find P. In order to find P, first we need to find leverage of AB and leverage of CF2. So for AB, leverage of AB is here we have a support, and leverage of AB is equal to A F1 divided by F1 by B, that is 450 by 50. So that is written here 450 by 50. So we get leverage of AB is 9. Similarly, leverage of CF2 will be CF2 divided by DF2. So from this geometry, we get CF2 equal to 300 plus 75. So that is 300 plus 75, and DF2 is equal to 75. So after simplification we get leverage of CF2 lever equal to 5. So the total leverage will be multiplication of these two leverages. So we get total leverage equal to 9 into 5, that is 45. So the total leverage we found in the previous slides is 45. So total leverage can also be written as output by input, that is 9 kilonewton by P, that is the input force. So that is equal to 45. So from this we get P equal to 9 by 45, that is 9000 by 45, that is 9 kilonewton by 45, that is 200 Newton. So a force of P equal to 200 Newton is required to lift 9 kilonewton in this compound mechanism. That's all for today's video. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.